This video I will show how to download and use it DigiLocker, the official government India app where you can safely store and access your Aadhaar, PAN card, driving license, mark sheet, vehicle RC and many other important documents. Let's go step by step. First go to Play Store or Apple Store and search DigiLocker, download and install. Download this app, it's an official Government of India official app, DigiLocker, and first enter into this app and choose your language and click on continue. Read all the articles carefully and click on next and click on let's go. After that, if you are first to this website or app, log in into it. Open the app and tap on sign up, enter your mobile number, verify it with OTP, then enter your Aadhaar number. Another OTP will come on your Aadhaar linked mobile number. After verifying, your DigiLocker account will be created. Once you are logged in on dashboard, you can see all the documents where you can add, or you can click on explore mode. And also you can manually search for the documents. For example, if you want Aadhaar card on it, click on Aadhaar card. Click on get started. By clicking on it, enter your mobile number and Aadhaar number and scan and upload the Aadhaar. The documents will be added on the DigiLocker. Same way to the all other documents. Thank you.